Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm so excited to take you guys along with me for a wellness workshop that is happening in Copper Plus Clothes, and it's a very beautiful studio. If you guys know, yesterday I went for a Pilates workshop. Your girl's legs are shaking. That means that the workout is actually working, and yeah, I'm so excited. I love doing things in health and wellness, so I thought I should take you guys along with me. So let's go and start the Sunday. This is the K-Beauty workshop. What a great way to start your Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. So right now your girl's heading, she woke up for a workout to go do some Pilates. I'm so excited for this one because first thing is that Soonsu Studio, that is two co-founders who are into skincare as well as Pilates, have come down from Berlin to have their workshops here. And second thing is that it's happening in one of my favorite places, that is Cloves and Coppers. If you guys know, like authentic food by Sarah Nicole, and she's pretty famous in Bangalore. You guys would have tried it out, or you guys would have seen, you know, for their matcha pop-ups. I go there as well as their food. I love it. But this time, for the first time, I'm heading for Pilates. I'm so excited. So let's head for Pilates.
Already engaged. Alright, and then we start here. Twisting up and coming to the side. Up and side. Up and side. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today.
Thank you for taking an amazing class. one of the good, amazing food places where you can find authentic food is Cloves and Coppers. I go there, and even for my matcha, I've been there when pop-ups happen. So I'm heading there for the Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm so excited to take you guys along with me for a wellness workshop that is happening in Copper Plus Clothes, and this is the K-Beauty workshop. What a great way to start your Sunday. So I'm all dressed up and decked up. I can't wait to show you guys my outfit as well. And so let's go do some skincare. And today I am just wearing a serum, and I want to try out their products and learn more about K-Beauty. So let's go.
I bet you never tell them how it feels.
Excited to tell you guys and show you guys my outfit. I mean, look at my jewelry piece. I was thinking of wearing this. Wait 1 minute. I was thinking, should I wear this goggles, but I feel like now it's become like very overrated in my vlogs. And where is my this one? I was thinking, should I wear this or is it way too pearly for today's look? I don't know. Let me see. And because I'm going for a skincare workshop, I haven't put anything except a serum, and because I wanted to try out their products. So that's about it.
You never tell them how it feels. How it feels. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I'm confounded with the truth.
Excited for today's event? Is that the Pilates glow or the Korean beauty glow? Is the red cheeks the Pilates glow? And what about your secrets? Today I'll get to know, no?